Mars PH.
Guys, pag walang lumabas, I'm so sorry.
Thank you, Ben.
Nagtatanong ang isip, di raw maintindihan kung anong nararamdaman. Dapat mong malaman, sa puso ko ikaw lamang ang nag-iisang pangangamba. Dapat bang isipin walang hanggan? Asahan mo na kahit kailan di kita iiwan. Kahit kailan di kita pababayaan. Kahit kailan, kahit kailan. Bulong ng iyong damdamin, pag-ibig na walang hanggan, ang siyang nais kong mapuntan. Ngayon ay narito ako, handang umibig sa iyo na walang katapusan. Pangangamba, dapat bang isipin walang hanggan? Asahan mo na kahit kailan di kita iiwan. Kahit kailan di kita pababayaan. Kahit kailan, kahit kailan. Kung ikaw ay mawala sa piling ko, di na alam kung kakayanin ba kayang umibig pang muli. Kahit na ano pa ang mangyari, di maaring ipagbalik. Sasamahan pa kita hanggang sa huli. you so much. Baka mahulog. Sino? Thank you po. Eto pa. Ito yung mga kinakanta ko dati. Uy, may nagpa-TikTok universe. Oh. Sa kabila. Press 1 sa may mga alam na itong kantang to. Okay. Of life and stay, trying to get up that great big hill of hope. Secret or a destination. I realize quickly when I know I should that the world is made up of this brotherhood of man, or whatever that means. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it over what's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream at top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, kanta tayo ng mga songs na bihira ko lang kantahin dito. Baka may song request kayo. And I tried, oh my God, I tried. I tried all the time, and it's a sin to shine. And I pray, oh my God, I pray. I pray for second day for another to shine. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it over what's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream at top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I say, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I say, what's going on? spend 5 years of your life instead. Try to get off that great big hill of home for a destination.
A.
Ano yan, kuya? Ito, sobrang... Ngayon ko na lang ulit ito kakantahin. Wait lang. Press 1 sa may mga alam nito. Alam ko naging challenge to dito sa TikTok before. Okay. Oh, underneath the city lights, there is so few known about where rules don't apply, no, and you can keep a good girl down. Tagal na. She's going to the club with you for a good time. Gonna make that, shake that money on a dime. Don't let she be there, she be working just fine. But up on the table, ooh, baby, don't just come to life under the spotlight. All the girls will not fall behind. We say,
here come the ladies, let's give a little show. Here come the boys, they gotta show a little more.
Hit it up. Hit it up. So get your ass up, show me how you bless. Hit it up. Hit it up. Hit it up. So get your ass up, show me how you bless. Hey, hindi ko alam to. But up on your table, baby, don't just come to life under the spotlight. All the girls will not fall behind. We say,
Here come the ladies, let's give a little show. Here come the boys, they gotta show a little more.
Hit it up. Hit it up. So get your ass up, show me how you bless. Hit it up. So get your ass up, show me how you bless. That we've only just begun. Let me hear you say, hey, yeah. Say, hey. Say, hey, yeah. Say, hit it up. So get your ass up, show me how you bless. Hit it up. So get your ass up, show me how you bless. Ano pa isa eh? Wala, ito hindi ko talaga to, parang hindi ko pa to nakakanta ever. At maganda siya. Maganda to, Z. Maganda to, everyone. Ano nyo to, pakinggan nyo to. This is by Little Mix. Whoa, here I go again, baby. I hear your name, and it's like I'm breaking. You still got the power hanging over me. It's always over, but still happening. Here I go again, baby. I just wanna scream. tears. Wait lang. Parang mas maganda yung ano yung acoustic. Wala ba? Wala. Okay, continue. Babe. Okay. And my heart hates me, babe. Tama. Don't know how I'm still breathing. I got this hole up in my arm, baby, baby. And it doesn't matter what I say, even though it's broken. I love you anyway. Whoa, whoa, here I go again, baby, baby, my baby. I just wanna scream out till my voice breaks, even if the tears fall and my heart hurts me. I just wanna know I can save me, even if this thing's choking, take me, baby, I love you. Ang ganda lang ako eh. Naaral ko pa siya. Okay. Love song. Ano bang magandang love song? Wait lang, magkamustahan muna tayo before tayo mag-end dahil last song natin ng ating love song. Hindi ko alam yung how deep is your love. Hindi ko rin alam yung dilaw. May naaral ko pa lang yung dilaw. Sorry guys, ang dami kong ang dami kong hindi alam na kanta at ang dami kong pending na kailangan kong aralin. Sorry na, dahil may inaaral din akong mga na para sa events.
Sa akin nakatingin, parang lumilipad na lang sa hangin. Di na mapakali, ikaw lang naman ang ninanais. Di ba nalilito ang puso mo kung
This one, ang ganda nito. Very underrated. Ligaya by MRLD. Guys, wala ba kayong tanong dyan? Before tayo mag-end. Before tayo mag-last song.
Ang lahat nating pinagsamahan.
Hi, Rowell. Kamusta kayo? Ako happy ako kasi dumating na yung chocolates. Thank you so much, Zine. Age po, I'm 20. Charis. I'm 21. Oo, 21. Turning 22. Di ba? Nagulat pa, nag-isip pa eh. Ano po? Jojowain or totropahin? Jojowain Hoshi, totropahin ko Kelvin. Ah! Siyempre Hoshi yun. Yay! Oo nga eh, nagbakasyon pa siya. Thank you. Super tuwang-tuwa sila mama.
Bulag mo naman kundi pare nasisilayan. Nagbago na ang pagtingin. Huwag mo sanang isipin na parang wala lang sa'kin ang
Sumagot
lahat
lang daw.
nating
Sumilip lang ba? Guys, hindi ako makakapag-stream tomorrow kasi may atinan ako na event and for sure late matatapos and then kinabukasan maaga ang aking call time. So, baka on ano ba bukas? Tuesday, no? Baka Wednesday ako magpag-stream. Pero raw lang ulit dahil balik condo na tayo. And iba na yung condo ko ngayon. Hindi na siya sa dati. Dahil fully booked yung condo ko. Meron po. Artist na pinapakinggan ko. Hindi eh. Random ako eh. Nag-search lang ako eh.
At ang oras ay tumatakbo. E di pa rin alam kung gusto mo rin ako. Isasayaw
Yes, pero mag-stream ako sa abot ng mga kaya ko.
sa ating sinta ka.
Thursday? Opo, makakapag-live naman siguro ako ng Thursday.
Hahayaang mag-isa.
Oo nga. Tuesday, tomorrow, Wednesday makapag-live ako. Thursday is my rest day. 18 meron akong work. And then 19 uuwi na ako. Kailang birthday mo? November 16! Lapit na! Ano ba magandang ano? Love song. Hi, John Ray. Nakanta ko na po yung sining eh.
Kahit saan man maparating.
Ang ganda niyan. Ang sige na lang.
Hanap
Alam mo ba yun?
ay iyong lambing. At kahit ano man ang mangyari,
Uy, namamansin ako,
sa'yo
coach.
pa rin.
Alam mo yun, Z?
Palagi.
Really? Happy birthday! Lapit na! Happy birthday! I-greet kita sa Thursday. Mag-stream ako para sa'yo. Kahit saglit lang.
Nakangiti.
Ang game. This is my last song, everyone. Sana magustuhan nyo. And ayun nga guys, hindi ako makapag-stream tomorrow. I'm so sorry. Dahil back to work na tayo tomorrow. Pero on Wednesday, sana makapag-stream ako. Pero sana ma-follow nyo na lang ako here on TikTok para ma-notify kayo whenever na magla-live stream po ako. Or you can follow me on IG and jumoin sa aking broadcast channel. Doon ako nag-update madalas mga kaganapan ko, mga streams ko, ganon. And of course, sana ma-stream nyo pa din ang Could Get Used to You. Out pa rin siya sa all music platforms. So, ayun, maraming salamat po sa lahat na nag-stream pa din. And, ayun, sana ma-stream nyo, guys. Shiny Inheritance! Every weekdays, tama, no? On GMA 7. So, sana mapanood nyo yan, guys. And masubaybayan nyo dahil marami pang mga may init na kaganapan na talagang kaabang-abang, guys. Yes. Ingat kayo palagi, okay? This is my last song. Something from, something love song. Para iyan natin ang ating gabi ng kinikilig tayo.
I finally found someone who knocks me off my feet. I finally found the one who makes me feel complete.
Starting over coffee, we started out as friends. It's funny how from simple things the best things begin.
This time is different. It's all because of you. It's better than it's ever been. 'Cause we can talk it through.
My favorite line was, can I call you sometime? That's all you have to say
To take my breath away.
Oh, I finally found someone to share my life. I finally found the one to be with every night. 'Cause whatever I do,
It's just got to be you. My life
life has just begun. I finally found someone. Ooh, someone.
I finally found someone. Did I keep you waiting? I apologize.
That's fine.
I would wait forever just
Just to know you are mine.
you know I love you.
It's
I
right
love what you wear.
to time.
You're exceptional.
I can't wait for the rest of my life. This is it. Oh, I finally found someone to share my life. I finally found the one to be with every night. 'Cause whatever I do,
It's just got to be you. Oh yeah.
my life has just begun. I finally found someone. 'Cause whatever I do,
It's just got to be you.
oh, my life has just begun.
I finally found someone.
Sabi ka na. Thank you so much, everyone.
Ilang beses na rin tayo
Ganda niyan.
hindi.
I'll be right here waiting for you. Thanks, yun ba yun? Thank you, J-Mar.
Namamalayan. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
Yes, guys. Good night, everyone. Maraming salamat po. That was my last song for tonight. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kita-kita lang ako ng
Kung naging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman.
Ayan naman siya.
Iyo ako.
Oh my gosh! Thank you! Sobrang cute na kita ko dyan. Thank you, Dee!
Kung balik ka
G, thank you so much! Uy! Happy level 44! Lapit na mag-50. Thank you, Z! Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Mwah! Thank you. Hi, Ate Eileen. Welcome back. Thank you so much, everyone. Sa lahat po nabagsak ng gift, Z. Grabe, maraming salamat sa chocolates. And for tonight, I appreciate you so much. And I hope to see you again on my next live stream, everyone. Mag-ingat kayo. Ingat, Z. Ingat, guys. Good night. Sleep well. Don't forget to pray. Don't forget to drink your water always. Huwag kayong magpapagbasa ng ulan. Kung lalabas kayo, magpayong kayo and mag-cap or basta huwag kayong magpapabasa ng ulan, okay? Yes, do good din sa work, Z. Ingat sa mga, mga meetings and, firing. Thank you so much, bye